Alright, YouTube, what's going on? Today we got to change these cables out. We got these ones right here. I already pulled off the shrink wrap. We're going to desolder these. Then we're going to solder these on here. So let's get to work. Let's see what's going on here. So now maybe this is better because we can untwine and we can split them up. And we can wind this up. Now we can put some solder on here. Oh, maybe that's what it is. I gotta press on it. Whoa, whoa. That's shrinky wrappy. I don't like this project. Oh, there we go. You gotta press on it. Maybe when we press on it, the wire gets hot and it seeps into the wire. Oh, I don't know. Oh. Gotta find a better way to hook this up. That was horrible. I'm very disappointed. I'm not happy at all. I know. I said I was going to do the battery thing. But Maybe next time. There's the battery. So now, does it turn on? It turns on. What? So we can go power on 5. All right, let's see here. Let's put my watch, phone in my pocket. All right. This thing's fucking cruising. $20, $21. Wow, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. It's freezing. But it's cruising. It's not doing any battery errors. Tires feel good. 25.